Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lingua English Pallavi. Today I will talk about how to talk to your friends and in social gatherings. Everybody loves to make friends, but sometimes we feel a bit uncomfortable when we have to talk to our friends in English. So today we are going to learn this on day 9. And again, we will repeat the same pattern. I will say the same sentence 3 times and you will repeat after me. So without wasting the time, let's begin. So the first sentence that I'm going to speak over here with you, क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? बहुत दिनों बाद मिले. Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. क्या आज तुम फ्री हो? Are you free today? Are you free today? Are you free today? मुझे बाद में कॉल करना. Call me later. Call me later. Call me later. मैं तुम्हें मैसेज करूंगा. I will text you. I will text you. I will text you. यह मजेदार लग रहा है. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. You are right. यह तुम्हारी पसंद है. That's your choice. That's your choice. That's your choice. Relax करो. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Don't overthink. Don't overthink. Don't overthink. इस पल का मजा लो. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. चलो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. मैं तैयार हूँ. I am in. I am in. I am. मुझे इसमें शामिल मत करो. Count me out. Count me out. Count me out. वह शानदार था. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. अपना ध्यान रखना दोस्त. Take care buddy. Take care buddy. Take care buddy. जल्दी मिलते हैं. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. So I believe you practice these sentences with me and don't forget to revise them once before talking to your friends and you will feel way more confident. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.